not going to set any standards for them and expectations for them that you have to win and come back. I'd love it. अगर जीत के आए, I'm not anxious about how they're going to play. I'm anxious about, are they going to be okay? I hope they've reached properly. Are they in the room? Are they comfortable? Now we have to go to NSCI in the evening for practice. Then we come back. Are they going to be okay with the lights? I was petrified about what they're going to do right now, saying, the media is there. They shouldn't get scared. I told them, there'll be a lot of photographers. They'll take a lot of flashes, so you might not be able to see. So it's more on the personal side that I've connected with them. As the team owner, I'm not going to set any standards for them and expectations for them that you have to win and come back. I'd love it. Agar jeet ke aaye, I'd be the happiest person on earth. But I've been a sportsman. I know the pressures a sportsman has to go through. तो मैं बस यही कहूँगा कि give it your best. You should come out of every kabaddi match और ऐसे लगना चाहिए कि भैया मैंने जो कुछ भी मैं कर सकता था मैंने किया है. उससे ज़्यादा मैं और कुछ नहीं मांगूंगा.
Right. And one question, this is a little deviating from the topic. What do you have to say about Rajesh Khanna's bungalow? Ashirwad is up for sale now. What do you have to say about that? And there were news that it's going to be converted into a monument, which is not happening. There is a lot of speculation as to what will happen.
I don't know anything about this, ma'am. I'll read the papers. I'll find out what the whole history, geography is, and then I'll call you and I'll answer your question.
Abhishek,
अभिषेक एक चीज मैं जानना चाहता हूँ कि पहली बार देश में आईपीएल आया था जब बहुत सारी सेलिब्रिटीज ने उसे टीम खरीदी थी. आपकी भूमिका कबड्डी जो लीग है इसमें एक मालिक की भूमिका है, फ्रेंचाइज ऑनर की भूमिका है, या महज एक ब्रांड एम्बेसडर के तौर पे से जुड़े हैं, या बाकी लोग जो जुड़े हैं उस बारे में थोड़ा जानना चाहते हैं.
देखिए, आई एम द ओनर ऑफ जयपुर पिंक पैंथर्स, which is a franchisee of the Pro Kabaddi League. I'm not a brand ambassador, and I've invested my hard-earned money into this team. So my duty and my job is of an owner of the team, and is to ensure that they do their best and they're comfortable. Iske alawa, if people from the Pro Kabaddi League ask me and say, look, can you come and do a promo for Star Sports? It's my duty because it helps the league, which in turn will help me.
Question. Why is there sudden interest and rise in stars investing in sports team?
Is that bad?
No, it's not
it's good,
bad,
no?
What's the reason behind it?
What's the?
Reason behind it. Why are you
The reason behind it is because I'm sure whichever other artists have invested in teams are passionate about it. Okay. I have a lot of friends who are team owners. Shahrukh, Preeti, Shilpa, they're all keen sportsmen. They all love sports. Shahrukh has played almost nationally. So I think these are all people who believe in sports. I personally feel sports is an integral part of our lives, and it's something that should be given a lot more importance in our country than it already has. And I think it's fantastic. And if with film actors getting involved, there's a bit of limelight extra that is brought on sportsmen, what's wrong in that?
So you don't think that? So you think that this is financially viable and not just Stars brand extension of Stars brand?
Let me give you a life's lesson, okay? Yeah. Nobody in life is going to do charity for you, okay? Everybody has a business plan. When it comes to the profession, you have to obviously make sure that it's something that you're not going to lose face or money on. So I don't think any actor involved in sports is doing it as brand extension. And I think it would be very incorrect of people to think so. I think it's done out of passion.
Thank you. Just one last question
Mr.
from
Bachchan,
my side. One last question, sir.
Hello.
Thank you.
Mr. Bachchan.
Ek minute, sir.
Yeah, I would like to know that, there's a lot of hard work which an entrepreneur puts in when you create a team like such. So was there a selection criteria for this team? What is the kind of hard work which you've put in?
Well, Bunty and his team and my team spent months actually researching on all the players. What happened was we had a short list of players that we wanted, which we sat down with our coach and discussed. And then the selection process was through an auction, which incidentally was done in this very room. And that happened 2 months ago. And once that auction happened, that's when you got your team. So the selection process is done through auction, but we as a team had done a lot of research on all of them. Well, that is one of the things that shocked me about Kabaddi. You can't say best player. I mean, at the end of the day, in a football pitch, you have 11 players playing 11 different positions, and they'll all be the best in that position. Kabaddi also has positions, which I never knew before. When Charu met me last year and told me about Kabaddi, he actually, one of the revelations was that Kabaddi has strategy and positions. Navneet plays left corner. Pasha plays right corner. So, you know, the different positions, and I think they're all fantastic. I'm very confident. I think we have a great team. We have a very strong team. And we have a team, if, like Navneet said backstage, sir, if luck is on our side, we'll win.
Abhishek ji, Abhishek ji.
1 second, please. 1 second, ma'am. 1 second, ma'am. Just hear me out. Just 2 more questions. So, please choose your questions wisely.
Okay. Sir,
कबड्डी टीम खरीदने से पहले आपने कबड्डी स्पोर्ट्स पर कितना रिसर्च किया?
काफ़ी सारा किया सर. सबसे पहले जब चारू मुझे आके मिले, चारू शर्मा जिन्होंने ये लीग शुरू किया है, जब वो आके मुझसे मिले, ही गेव मी अ लॉट ऑफ लिटरेचर टू रीड अप ऑन मॉडर्न डे कबड्डी. हम ज़्यादातर अभी सोचते हैं कि कबड्डी स्टिल व्हाट वी प्ले यू नो एज किड्स. मॉडर्न डे कबड्डी इज कम्प्लीटली डिफरेंट. और कल अगर आप टीवी देखें स्टार स्पोर्ट्स 7:45 बजे, you'll see how much kabaddi has changed, how much it is modernized. These are all things we had to, you know, then I met the officials of the Kabaddi Federations, Amateur Kabaddi Federation, International Kabaddi Federation, Indian Kabaddi Federation. In सब से मिलने के बाद, they gave me rule books, they gave me a lot of literature to read. So काफ़ी सारा research हमने किया है कबड्डी पे.